right, if it's March, it's time to do another birthday bang. So last year we set off 12 pounds of Tannerite for my brother's birthday. This year he wanted to go bigger. So we were told not to go any bigger than last year, but been in the rules a little bit here. So I'm still pretty miserable. We didn't have anything to mix it in. I had to eat an entire 3 gallons of cheese balls there to have enough room to put 20 pounds of Tannerite in. Let's get her mixed up.
Oh, I'm sure it's not.
I mean, I don't shake that accelerant up a little bit. Get it good and mixed. See how much more we can fit. I don't know if 20 is going to fit, but we're going to try. All right, so we fit how many pounds in there?
16.
16 of the 20 fit in there. So we got 4 pounds left over. That might be for a beaver dam later. All right, shake and bake there, big boy. Worth noting, this is extremely dangerous. If you do one of these, please be very, 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 very careful. It is very explosive. Well, we got a head start on plowing the field.
Oh, there's some purple lid.
There is some purple lid left. Wow. That's a crater.